Hi there. The world of e-commerce is data-driven. If you want to navigate this world, you need your analytics to be up to par. Analytics has to be robust. Great analytics will help you learn more about your target audience's location, find out when you make the most money, review your cart abandonment rate, and more. It also has to be user-friendly. Powerful analytics can and should be straightforward. That's why we created Advanced Reports. It's a very flexible tool with a remarkably intuitive interface. It lets you use 20 pre-made reports that are vital to any store. For instance, you can analyze sales by customer, orders by country, and refunds by item. Alternatively, you can create your own reports. Say you want to take a look at your product's carrying value, or check which items need to be restocked. Review key metrics, like sales, revenue, and order quantity, right on your dashboard. Would you like to back up your reports? You can easily export any of them to Excel or Google Drive. You can even have reports sent to you by email. Whoever you are, the Advanced Reports app is an ideal assistant for your shop. So what are you waiting for? Get the app and unleash the full potential of your data.